Harry Kindergarten Music exclusive.
Check out this hip educational video, Have a Humble Attitude, on my website, harrykindergartenmusic.com. This music video for purchase covers all of these important educational topics. Here's a preview. Have a humble attitude and be correctable in what you do. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. Just own it and fix it and you'll be fine. Let's say that a teacher catches you running in the halls. You were going too fast and banged into the walls. Do you own up to it? Do you admit it? What kind of attitude do you transmit? Just say, I made a mistake and I was wrong. People who are sorry show they are strong. Have a humble attitude. Remember, this video exclusive is available for purchase at my website, www.harrykindergartenmusic.com. You can download the raw video file for $2.49 or the audio file for $1. Make learning fun and download the full Have a Humble Attitude video at harrykindergartenmusic.com.